What's up, everyone? I go by the name of Nelle. I'm here to do another unboxing video for you all. So without further ado, go ahead and get started with this brown box that has the word Reebok Classic written on it. It is a classic, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. Go ahead and see what the shoe is. That's Reebok written on the paper. What do we have here? A classic shoe. Definitely a classic shoe. It's red and white. It's the questions. Reebok questions. Allen Iverson's signature shoe. Who is Allen Iverson? He was the basketball player. Played for the 76ers. Majority of his time in the NBA. But these were one of the most popular basketball shoes that was created. It's called the questions. White and red shoe with a blue ice bottom. Ice bottom has the word Reebok written on it. The Reebok symbol, the vector, is the name of that symbol. And that symbol is in the middle of the word Reebok. Then you got, if you look closely, there's an air bubble right there at the bottom. So there's an ice bottom, ice baby. To the mud guard is white, and then the air bubbles has a little symbol like a honeycomb. Honeycomb. On both sides, it's the same. Right here on the midsole is tumble leather. And you got a Reebok symbol, vector symbol that is red. Toe box is red. The tumble leather pop, shoe pop with the mesh on the tongue. You go further up, other tongue here. You have leather at the top of the tongue with the red symbol again of the factory Reebok symbol. Rope laces. Word Reebok here on the shoelace holder. R starts at the bottom, reads up, and says Reebok with the K in it at the top. This side do not have it. Here on the lace holders. Here on the back, we have the heel counter has the letter Q, that vector symbol. They got to show that symbol to represent Reebok. And then the number 3 is on the back there. And as you can see, as we already mentioned, Reebok is vertical there. Inside the shoe, you have Reebok, vector symbol in red as well. Very nice shoe, clean shoe. But here you have it, it's the white and red questions. If you ask Allen Iverson, his favorite shoe is this shoe here. It'll say the white and red color is his favorite. And this is the shoe he crossed up Michael Jordan in the game. Not only did he cross him up, but he finished the shot. He finished the play with a spectacular shot. So he completed that play very well. That was great to actually be able to watch that game. I remember it like it was yesterday. Thank you again for watching my unboxing video, the white and red Reebok questions. Peace.